Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly instructions for the double umbrella doll stroller. Before you get started, make sure you inspect the stroller and make sure you don't have any missing parts or damaged pieces. If you do, contact Badger Basket as shown in the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. So what we're going to do to assemble this is you're going to unfold the stroller, lifting up at the top. And what it'll do is it'll unfold itself where the wheels will come out and the seats will sit back. What you need to do is you need to locate these frame posts on each side. These frame posts, once they're down straight, will be locked in place by this frame lock. To lock it, you will push this frame lock down until it is in place over that frame post, so it cannot unfold. Then you will locate that on the other side here, so you'll find your frame post, the frame lock, and push it down into place, like that. Lastly, what you can do is unfold the umbrella over the double stroller, and for the dolls you have the seat belts in place for them to go. The nice thing about this stroller is it's as easy to put down as it was to assemble. You can fold this back into place. All you need to do is to pull up on the frame lock on each side, and then you just have to fold it back down and ready to go. And that concludes the assembly for the double umbrella doll stroller. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, to contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Otherwise, enjoy!